Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got a brand new radio. It's brand new to me. It's been on the market for a while, but I never reviewed it. And the people at Retekess sent this radio to me for review. It's the V112 AM and FM Super Portable Radio. Let's go open the box here and show you what's inside. And there it is right there. Little, kind of like a credit card size. Look how small that is. So we can get it to focus there so you can see it up close. Okay, it also comes with, let me open the box here a little further. Ooh, a very, very long cloth carrying strap. This, I would assume, goes around your neck so that the radio can lay up against your chest. So we'll put that aside. And it's not permanently attached, so you don't have to use it. You could put the radio in your pocket. Comes with the charging cable. It has a built-in battery. It's not removable. Built-in battery. And some nice earbuds, real long earbuds. Now these earbuds also are the antenna, are used for the antenna. So you got to use the earbuds. Now I'm not going to use the earbuds. I'm going to use this amplified speaker right here. Of course it doesn't come with the radio. And then of course there's the manual down there. So what we can do so that you can hear the audio, I'm going to plug, I can get it untangled here, right there. Whoops. I'll plug that in right there. So now we can hear, or you can hear also, the radio. Because if I use the earbuds, only I could hear it. So we'll turn it on. Here's the power button, volume, high and low, tuning, two tuning buttons, and the memory access and store buttons, the AM FM select button plus scan, press and hold to have it scan, and then there's the memo button, which means the memory locations where it has stored your favorite frequencies. So let's turn it on, and it has a sleep timer you can change at turn on. Okay, now it's on. And let's see, it's on 95.7. Now again, the earbuds, it acts as the antenna. So I may struggle a little bit because I don't have the earbuds in and strung out like you normally would. So let's turn the volume up here. 13, 14. Lots of volume.
JCPenney's lowest prices of the season, and leaves aren't the only thing falling. Our prices are
Good.
too. Thursday
Very
to Sunday
clear.
only. Save with thousands of deals throughout the store.
And I already did a scan, so then now I can go
Women's fall booties, now
through the memory
$24.88 a
banks.
pair. And the best part,
Did pick up some noise, of course. In my office, I have a lot of things that create noise.
If you own a house and
There we
want to
go.
sell it fast, call me at 813-540-8888.
There's the memory number.
540-8888.
You can't see it too well, but there's the battery indicator and the fact that the sleep timer is on or off.
Big Thing tickets. Join us at 1170 First
And let's see if we can
Street
see the
South in
effect of
Winter Haven,
the
October 25th from 1 until 2.
wire here.
Free 97X NBT tickets every 15 minutes.
That's
Find
pretty
out
strong
when we'll be at the
station.
famous state location nearest you
Okay,
at
let's find another one.
97xonline.com.
Before you're more...
Oh, it picked up a lot of stations. That's noise. Whoop. Okay, now it's back to the bottom of the band. Now these are the stations it found when I did that scan. If you want to just tune the band, use these tune buttons up and down here. See, it just goes up And like I said, if you want to have it scan, and of course, when you do the scan, whatever was in memory gets overwritten. So we can do a quick scan right here. Push and hold the scan button. And now it's scanning. This also, like I said before, this also selects the band. I was a little confused at first because I had set the increment, the step size for AM for United States, but I didn't, it says it can tune 2 FM band ranges. And let me turn this down. And it was defaulted to Asia and Europe and stuff like that, which is the wider FM band. And I could not figure out how to change it to the other band. Well, what you do is you push this band button, okay, there's AM, there's FM, the wide band starting at 64 megahertz, which that's the way the radio came, and it was driving me nuts. And then I just, luckily, because I didn't find it in the manual, you had to push it again to get the band for the United States. Okay, I think that's about it. It has a lock function so you can lock the keyboard so that it doesn't change the settings on you while you're taking a walk or whatever. Pretty small, very lightweight. It comes in gold and red. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.